This one became friends with me. There he goes. Hasta la vista. He's just chilling, getting a little sunbathe. He doesn't realize he's free. You're free, little guy. All right. You guys have to quit eating my cherries. Yes, you do. He's making noises. That's funny. So this little guy snuck into my cherry cage and he got stuck in there. I don't know how he got in. I'm gonna have to go through there and look really closely. They're pretty smart. Apparently he's a Oriole. I don't know if it's a male or a female. Very good looking. He doesn't realize he's free, but you can fly away if you'd like to. You gonna fly? You gonna go? This one became friends with me. There he goes. Hasta la vista.